guys, this is Arvind and I am here in the Patan Durbar Square. So what you see behind me is the Patan Durbar Square. So I have finished my trip in here. So I think I should proceed to the next travel destination, which is the Bhaktapur Durbar Square. This is the third Durbar Square. Having visited two of those in the Kathmandu area. The third one left is Bhaktapur. I'd like to show you how I book my bike taxi rides here in Nepal. I think it's a very interesting one which they have here in Nepal. So I'd like to demonstrate that to you. To demonstrate you how it is done. There's an app called Patao and as well as InDrive. I am going to choose the InDrive. It takes a bit of time to load. And since it has loaded, now we can see that it gives you multiple options for a motorbike, a taxi, or any delivery or a intercity transfer. So all these options are existing in this, as well as you can get to see how many bike taxi guys are around you. So since I know that there are a lot of guys here me, the app is offering me a price of I'll check what, I'll just enter the area. It is Bhaktapur. So I enter the area Bhaktapur Durbar Square. The distance coming out to be 10.2 kilometers. So I select it. So the app offers me a price of around Nepali rupee 235. Now there is an interesting feature. You can change this price by just clicking this. So you can reduce it by 10% or increase it by 10% depending upon the traffic, the availability and everything. So now I'm going to put a price of just 215 rupees and I'm going to press done, and I'll also say automatically accept nearest driver who's giving me this price. So with that I just accept, and thereafter I say find a driver. So you will see within no time there will be a driver who would have accepted it. That's it. That's it. Your taxi is booked. It's that fast. I don't think Uber in India is this fast. It's a very interesting feature here in Nepal, and I thought this can be emulated back here there in India as well.